Good morning, America. Welcome to our first TV USA. India. Yes, India is celebrating National Youth Day today to honor the life and teaching of one of the greatest philosophers, Swami Vivekananda. The day celebrates Vivekananda's inspirational ideas and how the youth will benefit from them. Chief display of the 19th century mystic Ramakrishna Paramahansa, Vivekananda introduced the world of the Indian philosophy of Vedanta and Yoga. On January 12, 1863, Vivekananda was born as Narendranath Datta in an aristocratic family of North Kolkata. He is seen as a major force behind the revival of Hinduism in India and is credited with creating interfaith awareness as well. In 1881, he first met Ramakrishna Paramahansa, following which he journeyed down the path of spirituality. Vivekananda, who founded the Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission, is also credited with instilling a sense of nationalism in people in a colonial area. Both these became important centers for the teachings of the philosophy and principles associated with Vedanta. Vivekananda wrote 4 classics: Jnana Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Karma Yoga, and Raja Yoga, which are his treatise of Hindu philosophy and techniques of Vedanta. In addition, his ideas and philosophy come through in the many lectures he delivered, the letters he wrote to friends, and disciples, poems, and songs composed by him. Vivekananda is best known for his famous 1893 speech where he introduced Hinduism to the Western world in Chicago. He had also warned against the dangers of sectarianism and bigotry. Here is an example from the same. Sectarianism, bigotry, and its horrible descendant fanaticism have long posed this beautiful earth. They have filled the earth with violence, drenched it often and often with human blood, destroyed civilization, and sent whole nations to despair. Had it not been for these horrible demons, human society would be far more advanced than it is now. Swami Vivekananda died on July 4, 1902. He was meditating at Belur Math when a ruptured blood vessel in his brain led to his death. His followers believe that the rupture was due to Brahmadhara, an opening in the crown of his head, being pierced when he attained Mahasamadhi. BN Das report for Sak TV USA.